No headlines, no big announcement, but in one factory, humanoid robots just quietly entered mass production, and almost nobody noticed. This is the Figure F.03 Humanoid robot, and what just happened behind the scenes might be the moment everything shifts. Not because the robots suddenly got cooler, but because they figured out how to build a lot of them. For a long time, humanoid robots lived in that awkward stage. One unit here, one demo there, carefully controlled, highly limited, but that phase, it's over. In just a few months, production jumped from one robot per day to one every hour. That's not a small improvement, that's a completely different game. Now we're talking dozens of robots every week and a growing fleet that's actually out there being used. And here's the part people underestimate. Mass production isn't just make more robots. It means building an entire system where everything has to work. Every part, every step, every connection. Inside this setup, there are hundreds of moving pieces. Literally, parts coming in from suppliers, checked, tested, verified, assembled across a network of stations, each one making sure nothing slips through. By the time one robot is finished, it's already been through dozens of checks. Then comes the real test. They make it move again and again and again. Full body motion, repeated over thousands of cycles, just to make sure it doesn't break when it actually matters. Now here's where it gets interesting. Every robot that leaves that line isn't just another machine. It's a learning opportunity because once these robots are out in the real world, they start generating something incredibly valuable: experience. And the more robots you have, the faster that experience stacks up. So when production scales, intelligence scales with it. And we're already seeing the effects of that. These robots aren't just moving anymore. They're starting to understand where they are. They can look at the world, literally through cameras, and adjust how they walk based on what's in front of them. Stairs, uneven ground, changes in elevation. Things that used to require careful programming are now being handled on the fly. No manual tweaking, no step-by-step instructions, just perception and movement working together. So yeah, this isn't just another robot update. This is the moment humanoid robots stop being rare and start becoming repeatable. Because once you can build them consistently and improve them continuously, you don't just have a robot. You have the beginning of something much bigger. And honestly, if this is where it is now, imagine where it's going next.